Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am making egg pepper fry. Simple, spicy and full of flavor. If you have just 3 eggs at home, you can turn them into this quick and delicious dish. Let's start the recipe. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add half cup onion, 2 green chillies, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt. Cook for 30 seconds. Now add half cup chopped tomato. Three tablespoons water. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Cook tomatoes until soft for a rich base. Add 3 eggs into the pan. Egg dishes are quickly and easy to prepare. Cover and cook for 1 minute. Flip gently. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Pepper adds a bold and spicy flavor. And cook for another minute. This dish can be made in just minutes. Break the eggs into small pieces and mix well. Use fresh black pepper for best flavor. Do not overcook the eggs to keep them soft. Garnish with coriander leaves. Eggs are rich in protein and nutrients. Pepper helps boost metabolism. Serve hot. Homemade food is more hygienic, a quick and filling meal option. Your spicy egg pepper fry is ready. Serve hot with rice or roti. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments.